We'll guide you through how to download and install Microsoft Office 365 on a Mac. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. These are some really great and useful apps. They're going to include Microsoft Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and others as well. So we're going to guide you through how you can go and download and install them, and then you're going to be able to go and use them. Perhaps it's for work, for school, or for other personal use, alternatively. So we're going to guide you through this step by step. Make sure it's this full guide and don't skip ahead. Otherwise, you may go and miss an important part. So what you need to do is go and open a web browser. So I'm going to use Safari, the default one for a Mac, but you could use a different one. Now, what you need to do is you need to go and type in Microsoft 365, like so. So this is mainly what it's known as, is Microsoft 365 instead of Office, but it's still on office.com. So now you can come and scroll down here. So you're going to go and see the different apps here, as you can see. Now, it's important to note that you do need to go and purchase Microsoft 365. It's a monthly subscription. So you can go and press buy. Now, it's important to note that your school or work may already go and include this. So if you go and sign into your account here, I'll show you that in a moment, you may actually already have it included, and you're going to be able to go and download and access it through your work and school Microsoft account. Otherwise, though, you can go and press for individuals, and you can pay yearly or monthly. It's up to you. And you can then go and choose the plan that you want. You can actually see here there is a trial available, so you could always go and do that if that's available when you're watching this video. So I'm in the situation of I actually already have a subscription, which I'm going to be using. You may be that as well. If you aren't, though, you can go and press buy now, and you can then go and press continue, and you can go and sign up or go and sign in with your Microsoft account if you already have one, and you can go and purchase it. Now, if you're in the situation of me, of where you already have it and you have it purchased, keep watching. And if you're just purchasing it, you can go and continue watching in a moment. So what I'm going to do here is just go and sign into my Microsoft account, and you need to press your profile icon in the top right and press view account. If it doesn't load, just go and press the refresh button at the top. Then what you can do is you can go and press subscriptions over to the left like so. And if we look at the top, we should go and see the option for install, as you can see. So you can press that there. So if you've just gone and purchased it, you can come here and download it here as well. So then at the bottom, you can go and press install like so, and you need to go and press allow. And now it's going to go and start downloading. So you can go and see this is 3.28 gigabytes, so it may take a bit of time to download. Just go and be patient. When it's finished, you can open up your Finder and go to downloads and find it there. Otherwise, you can go and click it in the top right of Safari, select it, and then double click it, and it's going to go and start opening. Go and press continue here, and make sure you read this through. If you agree to it, press continue. I already have, so I'll press that there and press agree. We'll install it for all users and press continue. Then we'll go and press install, and you then need to go and enter in your password to go and confirm the decision. When it's complete, it will go and say the installation was successful. You can press close and press move to bin. We can then close out of Safari. Now, if we go and open up our apps here, you can go and type in Microsoft, and you're going to go and see the different apps. As you can see, you've got Word, Excel, the list goes on. And then what we could do is go and open one up. I'll go and open up Word just to go and show you it. We can go and press next here, and then you can go and make a blank document, as you can see. We do need to go and press activate over to the right. And because we've already bought it, we can go and press sign in. So then what you need to do is go and sign with that account that you went and bought it with, or you go and use, like whether it's your school or work account. So I'm going to go and do that now. That's it. And that should then go and be applied to the other Microsoft Office apps as well.